Welcome all friends in the Dhamma. Now we just standing mindfully. We start from the first pillar, mindfulness of body. Second pillar, mindfulness of sensation. Third pillar, mindfulness of thought. And the last one, mindfulness of mental phenomena. You must develop good mindfulness. How you know you got good mindfulness? Mindfulness, knowing, seeing yourself. Right? When you walk in a hurry, not mindful. You not see yourself walking. But if you just walk mindfully, now walk on the stationary foot, the same position. If you walk and not mindful, you just walk and nothing wrong. If you walk maybe in some place, you not used to, you not get used to, okay? Because it's new. You go to somewhere or walk in the forest, you don't know what direction, okay? Then you have to walk mindfully, awareness involved. Walk mindfully. Then awareness of yourself, walking this way. Awareness, wake up with awareness, more you got knowledge from your instinct, okay, intuition, okay? And then why today we develop mindfulness of the first pillar, sit mindfully, standing mindfully, walk mindfully. Now when you walk mindfully, your eye just see surrounding, see the way you walk, but your heart, you point, which way to go, point, go this way, point, attention. You just observe. This is mindfulness outside. Observe the area, observe the surrounding, but who will tell you where to go, where to walk? Your heart. Observe and point. More awareness. Point. The Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, wake up. Okay? But observe first. Notice, this is mindfulness outside. Point is mindfulness inside. Or we can call point is awareness. More point. Now you can grab your hand. Point. Your eye with me. One hand. Can you point? Your eye with me. Okay. Your hand go this way. Can you point? Not look by eye. Your eye go the other way. Point. Your spirit wake up. Understand now? Point. Now your spirit sleepy, slump and torpor. Again. Point. Okay. This is why we develop in the meditation. We develop one pointedness of mind. Can you make it more sharpness? One pointedness. Point. Your focus from your heart. Normally you focus from your eye. Focus from your eye doesn't work. But point is sharp sharpness of focus, very sharp and instant focus. Focus and let go. Point, 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 point. Are you getting it? Point, 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 point. You are with me. Don't focus by your thought. Point, 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 point. Okay? No thought. Point, point. Every moment or not? Not every moment. Every moment. Point, 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 point. Sharpness in the one pointedness and really sharp. Okay? Point. This is point. We call point with more awareness. When you point, you get more awareness. When you point, you get more awareness. Okay? This is right concentration. Concentration from mindfulness, awareness. Mindfulness and awareness become point, 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 point. Because we point here from our heart. When people speak back, point. Your anger, point, anger disappear. You got anger, point, anger disappear. People speak bad and bad to you. You got angry, point, 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 point. Anger become disappear, dissolve. When you point, because a point is direct from your heart attention, or you got focus from your heart. But let's say focus is only from your mind. When you focus on your mind, you thought. But today we focus from your heart. We just point. Now, at this point, are you breathing in? Smile, relax. If you very serious, then you focus from your thought. You relax now. Okay, this way. One more word.
When you say that is in present moment, yeah? When I do like that,
Point.
When I am in present moment, like this.
Yeah. Attention. Every moment.
Present moment, correct?
Yeah. Point is focus every moment.
Present moment, yeah?
Present moment.
That's the word when you get quiet and understand. When you say present moment, like
Present moment. Or present moment from attention. So, mindfulness meditation must from attention. Okay? You got your eyes focus me attention together, and you keep attention. Then you can see, you can hear, you can understand what I talk. Okay? Point is your jhana. When you talk to me, I focus you, and I just point. I can see what you think. Okay? Okay? I point. Okay? I got jhana. I focus you, I got jhana. I point, I got jhana to discover what you really want from me. Okay? Point. Okay? Very sharp. Or we can call this is vipassana jhana. Point. Arising, dissolve. Point, arising, dissolve. Point, arising, dissolve. Point, arising, dissolve. This is focus. But you only focus. And you never point. You focus. You got only stillness of mind. So today, how to focus? Just you look at me, point. You listen to me, point. So look at me, point. Listen to me, point. You catch what I'm saying. Okay? Point. This is jhana. Point. Okay? And now, how to point? I give you medicine. Now, you take medicine. You point. You pretend if you take something into your mouth, maybe I give you vitamin C, 1,000 milligram. very big, very big. Point. Pretend you take medicine. Find out. Pretend. Oh, very big tablet. Medicine, very big tablet. Oh, point enough. Okay. And then you swallow, oh, very difficult, very big tablet. You point enough. That is jhana and jhana together. Okay? Concentration from heart. We call point attentively. Point attentively. Point. Now the chewing. Point attentively on touching. Riding, chewing. It point attentively or not? This is jhana and jhana. Okay? It's here. Okay? I would like you to turn your concentration in your heart. You always concentration because you concentration on the object in front of you. Then you concentration, right? Focus something in front. But now I just tell you concentration on your biting, chewing, biting. It's not in front, it's not inside. Only concentration on it. Okay? And it point sharply every moment. You biting, you chewing. And point sharply, you can see saliva, you can see eating saliva, and you can see warm and temperature in your mouth. Point, then you got jhana. Point on the object, you got awareness, see temperature, see saliva, see everything in your mouth. Okay?
Breath coming.
And also breath as well. You can see everything. Point you see all together. Breath, you are eating and breathing. You can see breathing as well. You can see breath. You can see saliva. You can see hardness, softness. You can see biting. You see everything because here is awareness. Awareness, you see everything. Okay?
Are you trying to direct our place of focus instead of from the brain?
Come here.
You focus
That's why I tell you point attentively, point mindfully, point attentively, point mindfully, mindfully, notice. Now you can help point mindfully. Notice first. Can you notice? And point. Notice and point. Notice and point. Notice is mindfulness. Point is awareness. Point more, you get more awareness. Your spirit wake up. Okay? Notice is mindfulness concentration. Notice is mindfulness concentration. Now I focus you. This is concentration. But if I focus myself, I don't have to turn my eye to look at myself, but I notice mindfully my right shoulder, point, my left shoulder, point. I notice mindfully. I look at opponent, tennis, badminton. I focus you. This is concentration. But together I need to notice myself. I look at you, notice how to hit, and point. You understand now? So you need to develop. There are 5 faculty, 5 power. Trust or faith in the Buddha. The first faculty. Second is right effort. Now third, concentration. Okay? Now you got concentration, but I tell you, notice, you got knowledge. You got awareness with knowledge. You need to develop the other two faculty. Now you got one faculty, one power, focus. I tell you, focus and point yourself. Focus people, point yourself how to eat. Point. Together, focus and point. Point is heart. Focus is your brain. Focus and point. Okay? Focus and point. And you pick up focus and point. Okay? I would like you to develop concentration from your heart together, not only focus. Oh, you got panic. You understand? So this is we call mindfulness, awareness. Focus and observe. Observe. This is mindfulness. Focus, concentration, mindfulness, and point. Awareness. Okay? Awareness, you got knowledge, you got wisdom, you got intuition knowledge. Now you got only concentration. Now can you just focus your breathing, notice together. Focus your breathing in, notice. And point every moment of breathing. Focus your breathing out, notice. Notice is mindfulness. Focus is concentration. Focus your breathing in, notice. And point every moment. Point, you can point every moment. Okay? Point every moment. Become awareness. Awareness of how soft, subtle, how quality of being nice, genuine, rough or soft. You know everything from point. Point, you got knowledge. Point, then you point really instantly. Point. A lot of knowledge. Okay? Now you not point. You sleepy. Focus, you really tired. And you sleepy. Now you need to focus your breathing and focus is concentration. Notice together and point together. Okay? Notice is mindfulness. And now even you focus on it, this is concentration, but you can notice your breathing or not. You focus it by eye, but notice how you breathe by mindfulness. And point every moment of breathing in. Point every moment of breathing out. Point. You got sharp mindfulness, then the result is awareness wake up. Okay? Now just follow me, don't have to think a lot. Now can you point now? Now you look at me. Point. Your hand, grabbing, then open. Point. Instantly. Okay? Point. Oh, something, horrible. Point. Awareness. Okay? Or Vipassana Jhana open from here. Okay? That's why now you need more relaxing, more smiling, more loving kindness, then it's more open. When you point, and then you must develop smile, loving kindness, then when you point, it's open, then smile, loving kindness, it's always open. Okay? Understand now? And now, just now you look at the way you walk, look at the way, and then watch and notice how you're walking. Look at the way, notice you're walking. And when you notice how you're walking. But when you point together, you point every moment. Notice and point, you get good awareness. Notice and point. Now walk forward. 4 steps, please. Walk forward 4 steps. Look the way, focus the way, notice yourself how you walk, and point every moment of walking. Can you? Look is concentration. Notice is mindfulness. Point is wake up awareness. Very simple. Now you can walk fast. Now walk forward, walk back again, walk back again. No, not turn your eye back. Can you notice? Can you point? Slow motion walking. Can you point? Your eye look at me, but you notice the way you walk, and you point every moment of your walking. Can you? Point is from here. Notice is from mindfulness. Notice your body foundation. Notice the first pillar, and when you notice the first pillar, awareness every moment. You got action. Buddha said, mindfulness of bodily action. Walking got action or not? Got action or not? Come in front. Come in front here. We do workshop first. Today, very simple. In daily life, you got already, but you not rely. So when you walk in the darkness, you notice or not? Darkness. You notice or not? Notice, walk mindfully. And then you point every moment carefully. Okay? Consciously. So today, you develop concentration, mindfulness, and knowledge together. Knowledge from point. Because now, I got point. I talk to you, you talk to me. I look at you, I point. You got knowledge. You talk to me, I point, I got knowledge. Okay? Point is like awareness. Now again, 2 fingers, touch here. Can you now look at me? This is concentration. Notice finger movement. Touch one by one. Touch the pointer. Touch the middle. And then touch the pointer. But when you point, it got more every moment. Notice and point and aware. Point more, you got awareness with knowledge. Notice, point. Today, your heart, even now, after lunch, normally after lunch you feel sleepy. But this after lunch, I tell you, workshop, point. You wake up, even after lunch, that's right. So now this is right concentration, because why? Point. Now not the picture. You got body sensation or not? Can you point sensation of the whole body? Sensation of body, cool, warm, sweat, movement. Can you point? Point is very, very fast. If you focus sensation, why maybe you use thought focus something. Is correct or not? So people do vipassana, concentration on sensation from the brain. Actually must concentration, sensation. Because sensation is not outside. Something outside you can focus by your brain, by your eye. But sensation is on your body and inside. You cannot do concentration by brain. You develop. You just turn inward. Concentration from point. Attention. Keep attention on your bodily sensation, bodily movement and sensation. Can you? Attention now. Walk. Attention.
That walking meditation is
Same.
Yeah.
I would like you to develop mindfulness. That means mindfulness concentration. What different concentration and mindfulness concentration? Concentration only we focus something in front. Mindfulness concentration we focus something inside. Okay? So how to develop mindfulness concentration? Point. Now you got develop together. Look at me and point how you walking. Point, 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 point. Point you get awareness. Okay? Point you get mindfulness, awareness, and knowledge. Point one word. All together. Mindfulness, awareness, knowledge. Point, point. Why I'm teaching you point? Listen to me again. Now, I not realize point. And then I practice only samadhi to develop joy, happiness, and one pointedness of mind. But there are two kinds of one pointedness of mind. One pointedness of mind with samadhi only. It one pointedness and it ignore the body, ignore anything. No? It only stay one pointedness here. This is mundane meditation, jhana with no knowledge. But in Vipassana jhana, they teach jhana every moment, jhana and jhana together. Can you develop not only one pointedness in meditative state, and first one pointedness, not pay attention to anything, just with your mind calm and still and one pointedness. This is I already practiced already, but I just realized why, what difference one pointedness and then it's calm and happiness, joy, happiness. But how about jhana together, knowledge together? So that's why today I go further. Not only one pointedness, not only one pointedness there, but I teach you now. One pointedness every moment. Because you can do one pointedness of mind, only sitting meditation, and ignore anything outside that everybody do. Then you got your mind. But more advanced. I develop one pointedness when I keep attention to whatever happening around me. Point. I found this one pointedness with knowledge, with infusion. I point, then I get the point. I point, I get knowledge, and I point. I don't have to close my eyes. I point. You talk to me. Before you talk to me, I not point. I listen, and I got disturbed with your talk. But now you talk to me, I just notice and point. And then again, you talk to me. I can get one pointedness every moment with you, 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 every moment with you. So that is one pointedness, sharp every moment. But you practice meditation, you get one pointedness, not sharp, only calm and blessing, and ignore anything outside. Yes?
That means it has to be a directed pointing.
Direct your one pointedness attentively, and let go, attentively, and let go, attentively, and let go, attentively, and let go. Then you get knowledge.
My question is, what causes one to go in certain direction?
Mindfulness. Notice. Before you go direction, be a direction. You look, you point, difficult. You look, this is concentration. Look, your mind, notice. Notice, then you can direct your attention. And then sharply and let go. Look, notice, point. Can you notice my word every moment? Notice my word and point. Notice. If you not notice, you point. Not one pointedness. Okay? You need mindfulness. Point is awareness. Because when more point, more awareness, more point, more awareness, more point, awareness. But how to direct your attention sharply. Notice, watch and notice, look and notice, watch and notice. Now, how to point your breathing. Your eye with me. Can you notice, not your eye, notice. Notice how you breathing now. Notice. Notice attentively. Notice attentively every moment it becomes quiet.
At the same time, when I'm noticing the breathing,
Yeah?
do I focus on the process of the breathing or?
No. If you talk to me, you have to focus me.
Yeah.
Focus is concentration.
Okay.
Notice in mindfulness, you can focus my talk.
I can look at
Look at
you.
me, but notice your standing posture, your movement, your relaxing, your breathing. Can you notice
Yeah.
on yourself? Even you look at me.
I can feel the pain or whatever.
No, not that it feel. Notice movement. Can you notice movement? Notice.
My movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you look at me and notice how you walk fast, how you walk slowly. You look at the way you walk, and you never notice. Then you walk in a hurry. When you look at the way you walk, you notice. Walk mindfully,
Okay.
and then walk mindfully. In the beginning, just walk relaxing, mindfully. But the moment you walk, if you point, you see
The step.
every moment.
Every moment.
Point. Then that is developed. One pointedness of mind, the jhana, the first jhana, vitakka, vichara, sukha, happiness, joy, happiness, and one pointedness. Now people don't know about how to develop one pointedness. This is the problem. You only calm and joy, happiness, and relaxing and emptiness. That is not the jhana state. Jhana state, joy, happiness, and one pointedness. That even in the calmness, you got joy, happiness. You need to point, not point the full foundation. First, point sitting foundation, rising foundation, up foundation. Then point breathing. Okay, and you point for the first pillar on body and breathing. Then in calmness, joy, happiness, when you point, you got one pointedness. Now the problem is you don't realize one pointedness. You realize only calmness, joy, happiness. But that is only Upacara Samadhi. The first one, Khanika Samadhi, there are three steps. Khanika, Upachara, but you not go through the jhana step because you don't develop. You never develop one pointedness. Okay? Because the jhana step we call Apana Samadhi, it is one pointedness of mind. Okay? So today I would like you to learn how in the calmness, joy, happiness, and still one pointedness.
So are you trying to tell us, Ajahn, what the four foundations of mindfulness vipassana? So you can explain to us.
For foundation mean body.
You are trying to tell us to be one-pointed for our body, our feelings,
No, I just tell you practice one pointedness on the body first.
Body first, that's
Yeah.
right. Now body, then you come feelings on later on.
Body first because
Body first.
on the body it will bring you to the one pointedness,
Yeah.
and with one pointedness you can see things clearly.
Yeah.
Okay?
So now it's just body first.
Body first, body first, body first. Body then connect to a bit sensation.
Sensations,
A
feelings.
bit, but
Yes.
but more body
Yeah,
first.
more body.
Body reaction, breathing.
Yeah.
Okay?
You point to the pulse.
When you point, it got pulse. Before you have to
Pulse.
yeah. When you point, you can see things arising. When you point, it disappears. Point, it disappears. Point, it disappears. Point, it disappears.
Some pulse. Same as pulse.
Pause, yeah. But pause is irrelevant. You notice pause. And now, okay. Can you just move your right hand now? Move your right hand. Your eye with me. Can you watch hand movement? Observe. Can you observe hand movement? Can you notice pause? In between movement it got pause. In between movement it got pause. Can you notice movement and pause? Movement and pause. Movement and pause. At the pause, awareness and now more awareness. At the pause you get more awareness. At the pause you get more awareness. Pause you get more awareness. And what more awareness? Point. You wake up already. Point.
Only faster.
Faster. Yeah, faster. First you have to notice. And aware. And then aware of pause. But now point. Faster. Point. This is how to develop one pointedness of mind in the jhana state. Point. So now my mind not disturbed. I look at you. I look and point. I look at you. I look and point. I look and point. Before I look at you, I don't know this thing. I just look and listen to you. But now sometimes I don't have to listen to you. I look at you and I know already what you want to ask me. Okay?
So the whole idea is, instead of mindfulness, if you don't do this, your mind will think of something back.
Yeah.
And then you suffer,
Notice, then it come back.
So it come
Then
back.
it come back, then
Awareness.
to develop awareness
Yes.
and point, it's more cloudy.
Yeah.
Understand now? Yeah, one pointedness of mind.
Yeah.
So today, very simple.
Yeah.
We develop samadhi for one pointedness of mind. So then you just listen and point. Listen by brain, by ear, look by eye, by brain, but point.
Point is to literally
No.
up to the one point.
Not make sure. Just now can you look attentively. Listen attentively. Look attentively. Look is concentration. Attentively is point. Okay? You need to develop. Look attentively. You look and then if you not attention, look and notice and attention more and more. Look and notice attentively. Can you develop? Listen and notice attentively. Listen and notice attentively. Look and notice attentively. Look and listen is concentration. Notice is mindfulness. Attentively is your awareness. You just practice because if you use your thought, you cannot get experience.
Yeah.
I want you to get experience. Don't compare with other knowledge.
Lessons of suffering that.
Yeah.
The negative thoughts.
Yeah.
That disturbing emotion.
Because
I understand.
what is the first pillar? Mindfulness of bodily action. Not only mindfulness of body. Mindfulness of body into bodily movement and action. And what you develop? Mindfulness of bodily movement and action. Movement, okay? Notice. Action is faster. Point. Now, walk together. Walk following. Walk forward. Point. Just point now. Your eye look way, but you point the step, and walk back. Point the step. Your eye look the way, but your heart point the step. Walk forward. Look the way, point the step. Okay, good. Point the step. Point. If you cannot point, then notice first. Notice how you walk back. Notice and point. Notice how you walk forward. Notice and point. Okay? You fulfill concentration is look at the way. Mindfulness is notice. point is awareness. Awareness is knowledge.
But
Okay?
instead of point, you can use other words. Say, wake up, wake up, wake up.
No, no. Only this word because in responding to the one pointedness.
Or this point. That is Sanskrit or Pali.
No, one pointedness is English.
One point.
Point is English.
Point. Point.
P-O-I-N-T, point.
Oh, I thought you said point there, point. That's why I said, yeah. You said point.
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 Yeah,
Point.
Point.
Point. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Bali is ekakata cita.
Yeah. Point.
Point.
Pure white.
So now you can develop ekakata cita even on your walking. Look the way before you think. Focus is the ekakita. No. You must concentrate with mindfulness. Notice your walk and point every moment. Then you got ekakata cita or one pointedness of mind. Very simple. You look the way already, but you never notice and point. Can you notice how you walk? How you walk and point. Okay? Maybe we do something. Okay. Okay.
Just very quickly, just imagine I'm talking about my foot. When I walk, right, I point my attention to the toe, the feet, and then it goes, there's the next point, then after that, next point.
No. You point before it go. You
Point
just
before,
you try to
direct
point.
before.
Yes, you try to direct attention. Then you got self in the practice. You just walk and point. Instantly. Okay, people got blocked in the practice. When they learn, master, then I have to point. Then you point before you walk.
Okay.
That
It's just like crossing a ditch or whatever.
Yeah.
And it's dangerous.
Yeah.
So I want to step onto that.
Yeah, the moment you,
So I'm aware.
you're not aware first, and
I'm
then
aware everything.
you aware even you standing, and then you just crossing the ditch.
Yeah, the ditch. Yeah.
Point. Okay.
Essentially, not intention.
Yeah,
Attention.
attention,
And
standing.
mindfulness is that there's knowing as we
Yeah.
also then
The problem is you try to be mindful, try to hold mindful, try to be mindful and hold your breathing. Try to be mindful and hold your breathing. But if you breathe mindfully and point, breathe out mindfully and point. It's different. It's different because now when you learn, you try to focus, try to be mindful. Okay, but you just interpret anapanasati. Anapanasati, not focus breathing, not concentration of it, but mindfulness of it. So now I interpret anapanasati, mindfulness of it, by breathe mindfully. That's all. Don't put any other concept. How to breathe mindfully, master? No, you learn by your experience. Breathe mindfully. And what happening? You got mindfulness. You must learn from your experience. Breathe mindfully. Breathe mindfully. Breathe mindfully. Yes? Huh? Eating, yeah.
Usually, put food in your mouth, you just eat. But mindfulness, does that mean touching,
Yeah. Aware, attention, aware, attentively.
texture.
The moment, the texture, the softness, the hardness, that is the point. Okay? But if you try to focus your eating, try to eat mindfully, maybe you don't know it. You already know your taste, your tongue. Now, you know, you can develop one pointedness of mind daily life. Point, bodily action, point sensation, point feeling. Now, you are with me. Can you look at me? But point how you feeling, point sensation of body, point the water element, point the temperature element. Can you point? It's from intuitive. It's not from brain. It's from here. Point. Don't try to think. You just follow me. Okay? Point. Okay. Now, you know the game dancing game? Okay, dancing game. We do dancing game, huh? Now, dancing game. Here, I know. Here. Okay. Now we do dancing now. Now, we just do dancing. Point. Okay? Very fast. You understand? Okay. Point. Focus and let go. Now you focus and attack. What do you want? You focus and attack. This is point. Let go. Okay? Point. Let go. You don't think. Now, can you point your movement when you rest? I can point out. I can get into the jhana state. Point. Very absorption, very knowledgeable. Point. You practice only sitting meditation in this life. I don't think you can go to the jhana state, because jhana state must be every moment, not only sitting. How do every moment? You grab your teeth. Can you point? You must practice pointedness every day, all day. Can you point? Dental floss? Can you point?
Yeah.
Now I practice all day. And my mind is calm and free and mindful and aware. Point. Bodily movement. Even you do yoga, you can point. Okay? You got movement, point. Try now. Point. In the qigong. Point. Not by eye. Understand now? So this you make do simple practice in daily life. Can you point your word? You talk to people, can you point your word? You speak bad or speak nice, and you point your word? Oh, then you cannot speak bad. Okay? Can you point your thinking? Wow, cannot think bad. Okay? Can you point your thought? Oh, I not point, then I lost in thought. When you point, you not lost in thought. This is from my experience. I learned to go to meditative state. But I don't know how to go into one pointedness of mind. Until one day, one pointedness of mind is must be one pointedness every moment in daily life. Point. Even my eye look at this way, I point. Can you point? How you step? Even your eye look to the right, look to the left, look in front, and you point your step. This is how you develop one pointedness of mind to the first jhana state. Okay? And my mind not distract, your mind not distract, your heart not distract. You got point. This is right concentration. Here, you call yourself. Here, you focus outside. Okay? You do now concentration outside object, and then you just focus your breathing from here. But I just point. I focus from here. Your eye with me. Can you point? Are you breathing or not? Can you point? Are you breathing or not? You got already power of mind. Let's say you never practice right concentration because you use your brain. That is concentration for making money. Okay? Okay? Now can you point? Are you breathing in or are you breathing out? Your eye with me. Can you point? How your breathing is, how your breathing in, how your breathing out. That's why Bodhidharma say opening eye meditation is most powerful because you use your heart. Yeah. And now can you point when you breathe? Now breathe. Yeah, can you point? Yeah. Good body people, speak louder, speak loud. If you focus yourself, people speak loud. I'm waiting for you. Rest quickly and come now. Oh, you disturb. Okay? But they speak loud or speak back. You point your breathing. Point. Your attention not gone. Your attention attentively on your present moment. Then you just breathe, finish, and then go with her. Okay? Something like that. So now right concentration is strong. Point, more point. You're not sleeping. Are you sleeping now? Because I teach you right concentration. If you do concentration from here, focus your breathing, close your eyes. 5 minutes you sleepy already. Understand now? And now I tell you open eyes. Are you breathing in? Can you point? Are you breathing on out? Are you breathing or not? Are you breathing or not? Can you point? Very gentle, smart, attentively, and fill up line. Really awareness, line, awareness. Fill up line. Vibrant and line. Vibrant and line. Okay? This is my concentration. That's why the Buddha concentration with smiling heart and smiling face. But you do concentration with smiling or not smile. If you do concentration, your face not smile. But the Buddha concentration, smiling heart, smiling face. Because the Buddha got bright concentration, very bright, vibrant in heart. Okay? Just stay one pointedness. So now, if you just point, you know how to stay one pointedness. One pointedness, just aware. Whatever arising and dissolve, just aware. Feeling arising and dissolve, just aware. Thought arising and dissolve, just aware. Four elements arising and dissolve, just aware. So it becomes knowing oriented. It becomes. Now you got concentrated on object oriented, and you have to be must be only this object. Only if somebody speak louder, you got disturbed. But now point not disturbed because you got point as knowing oriented. I look at you, I got point knowing oriented. And sometimes people speak louder, I got point and let go knowing oriented. Knowing oriented, you point arising disappearing. Point arising disappearing and let go. Point people speak loud and let go. Okay? And then when you let go, you come to the primary object. Okay? Primary object is your breathing. Point. Then never mind. Whenever you got pain, you go to pain, point, and you come back to primary object. He come to speak, people speak loud, it point, and he come back to idea. Point. So today, you will find it now in daily life. If you just notice and point, notice way of walking, way of eating, way of drinking, and point. That is meditation. And point is here, and you can talk to people. I can talk to you. I can listen to you, but I point my hearing. I point my speech. Can you point? Yeah. So now you know because I got this issue for a long time, but I don't know how. Because one great master told me, Vipassana. I asked, why Vipassana? Why you not do Samadhi first? Okay? The master said, I got Samadhi, one pointedness every moment. You got one pointedness only you're sitting. But I have one pointedness every moment. Even I talk to you, I have one pointedness, not distracted mind. I got no oriented. Wow, very great. That's what they don't teach me how. Take a year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay? And then now I know. Knowing oriented, not object oriented. If object oriented, object change, you might disturb. Okay? Knowing oriented. That's why Zen teaching, knowing oriented. Okay? Tibetan teaching, knowing oriented. And that's why sometimes Theravada say, oh, Theravada got Vipassana, but Tibetan they got knowing oriented. Okay? Actually, Vipassana in Tibetan is knowing oriented. Just aware. And how just aware? Point and aware. Point. Now can you point? You are hearing. Point. Okay? Before you have to focus a lot of concentration, and then you got thought. Now just relax, and just point your bodily action and bodily sensation first. Body sensation, warm, cool, sweat, temperature. Can you point for a minute? Point. Okay. Now, and you just now point the rhythm of your pulsation now. Your awakening. Can you point the rhythm of pulsation? You understand that? This is point. Do not look serious. When you do meditation, you look serious. But when you do pointing, this is right concentration. You don't look serious. You look natural. Come here, from here. Your eye with me, and your eye with me, point your pulsation. Point. We go to every moment more and more. Point. You get mildness, calmness in half minute. Now can you point? The fan now. Can you point? Can you point hearing the fan? Point. And now can you point slowly? You go to the beach. Can you point the ocean very nice with the breeze, vibrant? Can you point? This way. You point all direction. Okay, now you got point all direction because you got knowing oriented. Okay? When you go naturally, you point all direction. So happy, eh? You point all direction. So now everybody wake up or not? Point all you got consciousness, my consciousness. My consciousness all point you got my consciousness, not sleep. point more you got ear consciousness. Point more you got body consciousness. Now you point more, point more. This is mindfulness in the. This is develop samadhi and vipassana in accordance with the normal eightfold path. Samadhi and vipassana come together with mindfulness point your right view. When you point, it becomes right view. When you point your thought, it becomes right thought. When you point your space, it becomes right space. When you point your bodily action, it becomes right bodily action. When you point your livelihood, it becomes right livelihood. When you point your effort, you got right effort. You point mindfulness, you got right mindfulness. You point more, you got right concentration. So now all the practice, meditation, vipassana, many different. Okay, regarding sectarian, regarding even Mahayana or Theravada, but all come together. The noble eightfold path. Put mindfulness in front. You got thought, mindfulness in front. Point your thinking. You got will, put mindfulness in front. Right will, right thought, right resolution. You got space, put mindfulness in front. Right space. You walk, you got bodily action, put mindfulness in front, right bodily action. Okay? Right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Okay, we have a break. Any question?
On this point, you can all come simultaneously all together.
Not actually not all together, but very fast. That's why everything is not come together. But you got very good mindfulness very fast. Okay, that is jhana. Okay, point. So you ask your friend what is one point of mind. They cannot explain. They only calm and happiness, joy, happiness. No one point of mind is not calm. Okay, but now you got knowing oriented. Doesn't matter deep absorption. That's why vipassana we not have to go to deep absorption. Even momentarily. You got point, you got vipassana. Knowing, seeing, knowing, seeing. And you point your thought. Okay? And now, this session, we learn point, but next session, I will let you more pointing by realize and awareness of space element, then you get more understanding. Now we have a better for 10-15 minutes. Sadhu.
Actually, another question.
Yeah.
When the rupture comes in, do you stay with it or you just belong?
Then we come back, then analyze it and resolve. You point, if you not point, you got full absorption with lecture, and then you just lost. You do not go further. Okay? But lecture you point. Okay? Then you become arising dissolve. Okay? Then you got vipassana. But if you not point, you already samadhi quick, lecture, joy, happiness. But usually lecture, joy without one. The question is the five factors of samadhi. How much you got of the five factors? You got concentration, you got rapture, you got happiness, but the last one you never have. You never have. Okay? And many people don't know this because this is the jhana state. Is like you must get experience. Okay? Not like jhana state with Dhamma talk but not from experience, not from Dhamma talk. So you just point. You want to develop jhana. Jhana is one consciousness. Then I tell you now, point every moment you're walking. You might attentively, direct attentively on your walking step. Point every moment of bodily action of your walk, of your bodily action, point every moment of your breathing. And you point every moment of your breathing.
So,
Yes.
So when I do my sitting meditation, right? When I do my sitting meditation, I close my eyes. I try to feel breath to feel the one thing, but
Okay.
it doesn't really happen that way because I find it distracted because maybe thoughts or whatever.
Feeling is good now. Feeling is good now because feeling you get awareness, but your mind still distracted
They're distracted.
because you not have point.
Not concentrate on that
point. Yeah.
breathing.
Concentration from point, not from your focus. It's from attention.
Yeah.
Attention. Awareness of your breathing, attention.
Yeah.
Feeling your breathing in. Now you feel now. You feel your breathing attentively. Can you feel your breathing in attentively before you only feel, relax, and enjoy, not attentively. Then no point, one point.
Okay. Let me continue.
Yeah.
So the breathing become quite settled, right? But I still have thoughts or distraction coming. So should I actually direct my thought to that?
Because you told me the breathing is very settled. Don't need to breathe settled. Because the breathing is very not settled. That's the point. Now you only worry. Your breathing must long, must deep, must settle. Oh, mistake. Doesn't matter long or short. And the point?
Just be aware of whatever that comes.
No, just aware. You must point first. Notice, if not point, can you notice?
Yeah.
If you notice, it got short. And then don't worry about breathing settle. Breathing long or doesn't matter even it's short. Never mind. Okay? Yeah. Now, when you doesn't matter, you got knowing when you let it go. Now you are knowing to become settled.
And what happened is because I can't do that, and I was just aware, very peaceful. Thoughts come, thoughts go.
That's why you try to aware, try to target, not target that. Now you just don't
target.
don't target. You just feeling awareness and relaxing, and point sensation arising in the brain. Doesn't matter arising what sensation, body or neck or hand or arm sensation. That's why Koika very smart. He developed Vipassana starting from sensation. Because sensation you cannot explain.
Yeah, sensation will come and then...
You cannot explain.
Yeah.
Can you point now? Not focus. Point. Sometimes sensation here, point. Sometimes sensation here, point. Until you become, you are knowing settled. People now don't point. They do straight concentration. Focus. They try to settle the sensation. But now we not try to settle the sensation. We just accept. Doesn't matter. If you point from your heart, okay, you can point 360. Sensation here, sensation here. You don't have to go to the sensation as the object. You already got knowing already. Point. You already stay in your mind, knowing. So that's why people how can you develop knowing? I just tell you now. What rising point? When you point to dissolve. So you practice pointing sensation.
Sometimes it doesn't dissolve.
No, because
letting go is something like
because you not point.
a bit flexible.
You feel sensation. It's prolonged sensation. That's right. You feel sensation until you point. Or you just calmness and come back. Yeah, and come back really quickly. Okay? It's like a flashlight. Okay? And that is like a flashlight. Then more point. You can realize The mind who point also arising this feeling. The mind who point also arising on this sound. First, you try to feel prolong. That is samatha meditation. You just keep more awareness. But now I'll just tell you, okay, that's good for your practice. But now, in awareness, can you point whatever arising in awareness? Point. Awareness of whole body and just point, not select, not choose. Point, 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 point. You get already?
Yes, has to be. I don't
hesitate to open eye. In samadhi,
Let's say
sitting,
I don't know whether I just go with the
sitting and then
stay there.
feeling coming to you,
Stop, you know,
just
I feel it's got very good point, mindfulness. So that's why you need practice opening eye first until it got more good mindfulness awareness point. If you close your eye, it moves already from your center of heart. It comes to your brain. Then difficult to point. That is the way you do concentration. So that's why if you do concentration, then you got stillness, but you don't know how to develop intuitive awareness. That's why you need to develop by in daily life, work and activity. Okay? Or monk has to develop walking meditation, walking in high meditation. We walk fast. You walk fast now. What's happening? Point. Right now. Because when you sit meditation 1 hour, 2 hours, you go in, you meditate sleep state. Good enough already. But what you don't have is awareness, wake up with intuition, wake up with knowledge. Now walk fast. Everybody walk fast now. Walk fast. Point. Can you point? Point. Can you point when you touch the phone? Point. Okay, take a break for 10-15 minutes, okay?